In this video, I'll show you how to make a Vercel link public. If your deployment link is showing a login screen, there are a few different ways to fix it. The most common fix is to disable deployment protection entirely. This makes all your future deployments fully public. Log into your Vercel dashboard and select your project from the project list. Click Settings in the left sidebar, then click Deployment Protection in the Settings menu. Look for the Protection Scope selector. It might show Standard Protection, All Deployments, or Only Preview Deployments. Disable Vercel authentication here. If prompted to confirm or save, do that. Once complete, all your existing deployments become unprotected. The deployment URLs will no longer show a Vercel login screen when accessed. If that's too broad and you just want to share one specific deployment without changing your settings, create a shareable link instead. Click Deployments in the sidebar. From the list of preview deployments, find the deployment you want to share and click the Share button next to it. A popover will appear. Select anyone with the link from the dropdown. Use the Copy Link button to copy the link to your clipboard. Share that specific URL, not the one from your browser address bar. Anyone with this link can access the deployment and leave comments. If you need to revoke access later, switch the dropdown back to only people with access. If you're on a Pro or Enterprise plan, you can add a deployment protection exception for a specific preview domain. Head to Settings, then Deployment Protection. Scroll down to the Deployment Protection Exceptions section and click Add Domain. Specify the domain you want to unprotect, for example, preview branch name vercel.app. Confirm the domain and save your changes. All existing and future deployments for that domain will be unprotected. This feature is only available on Enterprise plans or with the Advanced Deployment Protection add-on for Pro plans. Here are a few things to keep in mind. On the Hobby plan, production domains remain publicly accessible. Even with deployment protection enabled, only preview deployments are protected. Method 1 is permanent and affects all future deployments. Method 2 is temporary and deployment specific. Method 3 is domain specific and requires a paid plan. If none of these methods work, the issue may be on the service side